From grueling hours of hand-scrubbing clothes to a household staple, the washing machine's journey is a tale of innovation. It began in 1691 with the first English patent. Then, in 1782, Henry Sigier introduced a rotating drum. The familiar scrub board arrived in 1797, a simple yet crucial step. A major leap came in 1874 when William Blackstone created the first machine for home use. But the true revolution sparked in 1908 with Alva J. Fisher's invention, the first electric washing machine, the Thor. This invention transformed daily chores forever, paving the way for the modern appliances we rely on today.